Hi guys, it's me again, Ronald. So, today, this video is, we're gonna unbox, one of the grails ng Naruto statues. Like, if you're a Naruto fan, this video is for you. This is my first giant size edition, resin statue. So, this is a Sasuke made by, Pixstar Studios. So, hopefully, you like my unboxing and showcase. Focus ka sa piece. Duro. Bigat pa yung ano.
Mas mabigat.
Sabi mo kung tama, ha? Okay?
Ayos.
Alam mo, pagkasuot ganun.